Hey everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing Services. In this video, we're going to look at this 2025 Lexus 350 Hybrid. Now this is a brand new car, guys, and as always, we do have some issues in the paintwork. Just look at all the swirling and all the micro marring in this brand new car. As many of you are probably wondering, hey, how did that even happen? Isn't it a brand new car? Well, keep in mind, guys, you get your vehicle transported on pickup trucks and semi-trucks, 18-wheelers. And as they're getting on and off the vehicle, you got these guys that can rub across the paint. Plus, you also have the people that are loading it on the 18-wheeler from the factory. I mean, just look at that, guys. Look at all the marring and all the swirling that's in this vehicle. So this is why, to get a really good job done when it comes to a ceramic coating, the best thing to do is to get a paint polishing beforehand for the absolute best visual appearance and performance. Look at the back. Look at that. See all that marring in there? Look at the black. So we're going to take the time to meticulously polish this vehicle and clean a lot of this up. And then we're going to put a good ceramic coating on it. Look at that right there. See that? Get that scratching and stuff in there. Look at that. Now, some of this was from the customer himself. Now keep in mind, when you open your door handles and stuff, guys, you're using your thumbs and your hands to kind of get up in there. So that's where those scratches came from. Those were probably installed by the customer. And so as always, if you want to get your vehicle done, you know where to call us at. We are super busy right now with all the new car sales going on. But give us a call if you'd like something done. We are currently booking for February, 920-450-2085, or visit us online at www.totalpackagedetailing.com.